Okay, we're into a little side project here. Could turn out to be a big one, but so we have this pool table. I had an opportunity to take apart and move it, but my plans were never to put it back together the way it is. My plan would be to rebuild the whole base, to do it the design that I typically would do, or some unique design, but utilize the slate bottom, which turns out it's still got the tag on it. Right there, genuine slate. And it's about a 1/2 inch thick. Let's see. Oh no, it's more like 3/4 of an inch thick, so it's probably 2 cm. It's a 4 foot by 6 foot table. And now that I've never seen the inner workings of a table like this, but it's kind of cool. They come down to the center. And then from there, they're feeding around here. All of them are coming to the center, rolling around, going down there. The part I don't understand at this point in time is how they're getting back to here. So that I'll take a look at later, but it was a coin operated, but it was that part was taken away. So somehow the balls came back to here, but I don't really see how, but anyways, that's not my goal. So my goal is to take the slate top, the balls, the cue sticks, even the chalk. I'll probably take some photos of this base. Oh, I also want to take the borders, the rubber border, and I'll probably take some photos and maybe some measurements, although I don't think I need them because once I have the slate bottom, everything will be built from there. So I have built a pool table in the past. I did not have the money for a slate. I didn't know even where to get it. So I had used a 3/4 inch plywood, birch, really good plywood, and it stayed really good. But this is an opportunity for me to do a slate one. I'm not a big pool player, so this is more of a project thing, but I would make a ping pong table top for it, which I do like a lot. So if I can get a player, that'd be fun. Okay, so here we are. We're going to now carry this out of the basement and anything else we need or would like, but I think the rest of it's going to stay. Honestly, the wood has swelled up so much, I broke like 6 screw heads and just trying to get the side panels off, so I think this is all we're going to do. And this was my primary goal, is to get that slate. That was the main goal. If nobody else was going to take the table and nobody else has or purchased it, I didn't want that to go to the dump. Okay, let's get it safe, packed away, and we'll have a future pool table project with genuine slate.